The car just gone past. Right, I'm back out here again. I don't want to be too loud. There's a house in that direction. There's a road just there. But perfect spot. It's been raining. It's probably going to be thunderstorm tonight. But I'm just going to quickly get this tent up now and just not wasting any time. Alright, so that's the first and most difficult part done. Just getting up there. I've just got to tweak all these pegs around the outside, make sure it's stretched out as far as possible to give me as much room, because I've only got the one loop Canvas Lavvu. I should have the two loop, but when I bought it I didn't actually know there was such a thing. I didn't research it enough. But yeah, stretch it out as much as possible and then get everything that's on the side there, sleeping bag, blanket, etc. in here and ready to go. And then I can chill out, I can have a beer and have some food as well. Got a pillow for once. There's actually a really nice divot in the ground here, which is perfect for my butt. So overall it's quite even ground. There's a few sticks underneath, but there's moss on top of that which softens it. And then I've got this pump up air mat as well. I'm going to shove that in my sleeping bag and happy days. This is going to be the comfiest camp I've ever done, guaranteed. I'm glad the weather's stayed off for me putting up my tent. Giving me just enough time. But now, time to crack a kingfisher. So I recently had this. I got it by chance. I got it in like a gift box. There was like 3 different beers, and it just happens to be my favourite beer now. There we go. There's a mozzie right there, but he's not bothering me at all. Can't have that though. Might be a few mozzies tonight. I'm not even going to bother putting up the net. I might do later on. See how I'm feeling. But I'll be in the sleeping bag, they won't be able to bite me through it. The only place they can get in my face. So I'll just spray my face with this citronella bug off spray I've got. And then if need be, I'll have the net hanging down from here, just covering my face area. It's like easy does it, that sort of thing. And I've learned from, I think I titled the video when I was in the mangroves, there's no mangroves in England, when I was in like the marshlands, I didn't have a tarp on the floor, and it was just it's getting super muddy when it was wet. So I've learned from that. got a large tarp, it's just fully covered the floor. And then it's a double whammy because it's so large. I've managed to pack up all of the gaps from where I've staked the tent into the ground. So bugs can get in, but they're less likely now because I've just completely filled the gaps. So I have this, and then I'll get cooking, to be fair. A few drops coming through here and there, but it's not too bad. So for the places. The car's just gone past. Basically the road loops around me here, but there's so much foliage you won't be able to see, and especially because this is the same colour. Oh, lovely. Nice and cold as well out here. Welcome to Cooking with Jamie, where we have all your cooking needs. So first, you're going to need something to cook in. You're going to need your stove and your gas. And then you're going to need your meal. We've got mac and cheese with anchovies. The only reason I do this is because I saw it on The Walking Dead. He had mac and cheese with sardines, said it was his college meal. I thought, go on, screw it. I like anchovies more, so I'll do it with that. And then for dessert, we have a whole bunch of Twinkies. It's the first time I've seen the American Twinkie in my co-op, so I had to buy a box of 10, and I bought 6 out with me because I'm a greedy bastard. So 6 of them here. We'll see how many we get through by the end of the night. They're my midnight treat in there, I'll tell you. Put them in one by one. There we go. That's good stuff, that. Really quick and simple meal. Altogether costs £1.70. That's as easy as it gets for camping. It's just, when you're out here camping, I don't like to do posh stuff. I was a Michelin star chef, but when I come out here, I just want simple food done fast that tastes nice. And that is it. One side bottle opener, one side utensil, kingfisher. Oh, the anchovy flavour is already infused into the mac and cheese before I've eaten any of the anchovy. That's amazing. Wow, talk about surf and turf. The taste of the sea with some good old mac and cheese. Oh. That is amazing. I hope you're having something to eat and something to drink right now and enjoying it as much as me. So I'm living life right now. I'm going to take this opportunity right now to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed, everyone who's watched this far in the video. Thank you for liking everything. It all really helps. The watch time's the biggest thing, and it's just amazing that you're on this journey with me. So, chin chin. Before it gets too dark, because I am stealth camping, I don't want to chuck my headlamp on and record too much unless I'm in the tent. So, this is the last footage you're going to see of today. So, enjoy your food, enjoy your drink if you're having it. I'll see you in the morning when I'm packing up. Have a good one. Morning. I've got to say that's the comfiest night's sleep that I've ever had camping, especially stealth camping. I just bought all the right things, I feel like I'm getting it now. So, Still got a few Twinkies left, so I'm going to have 2 of them for breakfast. Take 2 of them home. And the night overall, you can probably hear it now. It was really windy, the trees were proper gusting, but I had no dead standers near me, so I wasn't worried. I expected a bit of rain, there was only slight drizzle, but there's really good coverage above me anyway, so even if there was heavy rain, not much of it would have been getting through. But yeah, really good night's sleep. I'm going to start packing up now. Cheers for watching. Let's go. Oh, car's still there. There's a house just over there, and this is the road. Spot was just down there. Successful trip.